Hello, good afternoon, my fellow traders and student. It's been quite a while you've seen my face, you've heard from me, so I'm very sorry I've been busy. I've been seriously busy, and I promise from now on I'll just start to make a video on weekly analysis every Saturday or Sunday. You can just I can make the analysis on Friday, Saturday, or Sunday. Then I upload it and then you can watch so that you learn and you make more money. Okay, so today we're going to do for some things very interesting. Today is Sunday and the market will open by 11 p.m. today. So I'm sure you're already prepared and you already know that you are going to trade on Monday. And I just want to give you some good opportunities that you can focus on throughout next week. I would recommend you focus on NZD USD, that's the Kiwi. You focus on the GBP USD, that's the Guppy or Cable, and then you focus on the Euro USD, which we call the Fiber. Why did I say you should focus on this currency pair? Okay, because let's check forexfactory.com. I check forexfactory.com and we look at the high impact news that we'll be expecting this week. We're going to see that okay, let's see the news that we'll be expecting from Monday to Friday, and that will be tada. We have NZD tentative on inflation expectations quarter to quarter will be released on the Monday, which is a high impact news. Okay, so high impact news on NZD is expected on Monday, and on Wednesday we are expecting a high impact news of USD, CPI and core CPI, and then also we are expecting crude oil inventories, and we also have high impact news in which Governor Bailey, the governor of the Bank of England, will speak. Of course, you know that its speech will matter a lot because when it speak the last time, price moved by 140 pips. We're also expecting the United States chairman Powell of the chairman of the FOMC to speak. Also on Thursday, we are expecting Euro economic forecast and unemployment claims of the USD to be released on Thursday, and finally on Friday we are expecting GBP preliminary GDP, that's gross domestic profit quarter to quarter. So Euro USD, we are expecting Euro economic news. GBP USD, we are expecting GBP preliminary GBP, and we are expecting GBP Governor Bailey to speak, and also NZD we are expecting NZ inflation news to come out. So that's why I say you should focus on this three because it will have a higher volatility on during next week, or let me just say this week start this Sunday. So let's now make a technical analysis of this pair. I will start with NZUSD, and the next two videos we explain the GBP USD and Euro USD. So I will explain NZD slash USD now. Okay, so let's focus on Euro slash USD now, and let's see what we have. Tada! We have a descending trend line. Pews! Okay, our descending trend line. Remember, I use H4 as my analysis, although I start my analysis with D1, but on the D1 I can't spot any important significance on D1. However, on the H4 chart I can see a descending trend line, or let me just say descending channel. We have a descending channel in which the price is at the upper trend line, and I also use stochastic to better have a very good opportunity. So why did I pick this trade as a very good opportunity? Because a trend line a channel has formed since December 28th, okay, 2020, and the trend line still holds even till January 2023. So we have this February 7, and then the channel is still holding. And why is this channel very reliable? Because in the upper trend line we have just watch the yellow highlights here. We have the yellow highlight here, 1 2 3, okay, 4 and 5. So we have five 5 bounces in the upper trend line. Remember that a valid trend line we have at least 3. This is 1. Just watch the arrow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's the upper trend line has 5 bounces, while the lower trend line has 3 bounces. 1, 2, and 3. So this is a very reliable trend line. What makes it very reliable again is that it has not been broken for a very long time, since December 28, and also this channel is not steepy, and this channel is gentle, and also this trend line is not narrow, but this trend line is wide. So this is a very good trading opportunity. Why did I also pick this trade? I will be picking this trade because the stochastic is at the overbought level. Overbought level is when the stochastic indicator has touched or is above the 80 level, and you can see that this is the 80 level, and currently the green stochastic indicator is above it, although the red has not crossed above it, but the green is above it. So we can say this is a valid, a very good trading opportunity. And in this trade, my bias will be to go short. Why am I going short on this trade? Number one, the stochastic is at the overbought. The stochastic is at the overbought. That's number one. The reason why I will go short, I'll be looking for a short opportunity, is because the stochastic is at the overbought. Number two, the price is at where? The price is at the upper trend line of the descending channel. You can, if you zoom out very well, you see that the price is exactly at the upper channel of the descending trend line. Do you see? Yeah. Okay, this is where the price is. That's another point, because if you notice, every time the price is touching this trend line, it is bouncing back. It touches it again, it bounces back. It touches again, it bounces back. So the upper trend line of the descending channel is telling us that price will bounce down side. That's the second reason. The third reason is because a doji has been formed. Okay, that's not the third reason. Let me just not go with it. The third reason is because there is a confluence level between the upper trend line of the descending channel and the resistance point. This is the resistance point. The price is at resistance point is the 0.72255 region is serving as a resistance point. You can see this black horizontal line here, that if you check it using this arrow, you see it here. Okay, this is 0.72255 is a resistance region in which the price, when it touches it, it fails to break it. You can see that price fails to break this resistance region. It's pulled back again, it's pulled back to this point again, it's pulled back. It seems as if to break, but it's pulled back, and then it has not broken it since January 12. It has not broken it since January 12. So this resistance region is in confluence with the upper trend line of the descending channel. So that's the third reason. And then the fourth reason, which is our third confirmation, is that a doji has formed on the upper trend line of the descending channel. You can see the doji, the recent candle. Can you see it? The recent candle is a doji. So it's telling us that a doji has formed. What does a doji mean? A doji means that the bull's power has been totally exhausted. The bull cannot push price beyond that level. That's what a doji means. Okay, now that we have gone bias on to go short. Okay, to go short, we are going to look for our entry point. But before that, look at the H1. The H1 has tell us that price is already going back to the is going back to the over hold on please. Okay, good. So let's go back to the H1 now. Now look at the H1. Okay, see that every time price touches the oversold level, it comes back down again. Okay, anytime price touches the 80 level, it comes back down again. It goes up, it comes back down, it goes up, it comes back down, it goes up, it comes back down. Now it has gone up, and now you see that it goes up, and then it is crossing down. This is a signal that what price is going back down. Can you see how it crosses? It crosses down. It's crossing down. It has touched 80 level, now it's going down. So we expect price to sell. Now let's go on the M30. our entry point, you can see two on M30 that price at overbought level and it's crossing down. So our entry point will look at the M15. Why did I pick M15 as the entry point? Because we enter at the lower time frame. Okay, so recently price is struggling to break this region. Let me put a line there so that we can see the bears are still forcing themselves to break this point. Can we see that now? Okay, price head to that point and then the latest bear candle touch it and then could not break below it, and then it went up again and then it has not break this point. So our entry point will be a break below this point. Okay, just make your entry point to be around 0.9 0.71 0.7190. okay, that make that your entry point. 0.7190 is 0.7189. okay, you can make that any of your entry points because a break below this black line will show us that the value will show us the value sell trade. Okay, so having known our entry point, let's move to how we can get our TP level, or first of all our stop loss level. Our stop loss level we got at the higher time frame, which is at the H4 chart. Okay, so our TP should be around this point. Should be around this point because this point has not been broken, so it should be around this point. Okay, just put it here. 0.72321 0.72321, that should be 321. That should be our stop loss point, because if price should break this trend line, then you can know that the bulls have taken over and then you go long. So any break above this trend line to this resistance region means that price is really strong. So we can make our stop loss 0.72 0.72321. okay, normally it should be at the resistance point, but at least a candlestick, a wick can be formed. So let's make it like that. Then our take profit level would be very close to the descent, to the lower lower trend line of the descending channel around this point. Okay, we look at it this point. This is another support level for the bulls. So we can make our stop loss, our TP, to be 0.70138. Let me give you let me put a line so that you can see it very clearly. This level, okay, this level is a valid place to take profit. So 0.70110, that will be your TP2. But TP1, if you want to take partial profit, you can see that recently price has been bouncing off this minor support level, this point. Anytime price and anytime the bears try to push price down, it refuses to break this level, 0.71325. so that will be your partial take profit level. 0.71325, that will be your partial take profit level. Okay, so I think you understand clearly about how I analyze this trade. I hope you make this trade as it's going to be a profitable trade. Okay, so take care of yourself. I'll post the remaining videos, the Hero USD and the GBP USD trade today. So just keep watching and make your analysis and make your trading how will I pronounce, trading decisions. Okay, so take care for now. I'll give you the second videos later on today. All right, bye bye.